All right, guys. About this AI thing, something crazy just happened recently. I saw a particular job posting. I'm going to share it around this video. I saw a particular job posting on Upwork, and the client said that he's looking for a graphic designer that understands how to use AI or is ready to learn how to use AI and all of that. And that was just, I'll share it around here so that you can read the job posting by yourself, right? And then I applied for that job as well as other freelancers who also applied for that job. And when I applied for that job, he replied me, right? He messaged me, and apparently I got the job. And guess what this client did? Because from the job, from the cover letter I sent, I made it clear that I actually do not have much experience at using AI, but I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to actually improve and adapt. And guess what? It gave me free access to the Teams Mid Journey Premium, to the premium version of the Teams Mid Journey account. It gave me free access to the premium version, that's ChatGPT 4.0, like GPT 4.0, the latest one, that was the latest upgrade by ChatGPT. It gave me free access to that of the team too. It gave me free access to the team's Sora account. Sora is also powered by GPT 4.0. It's an AI video platform where you get to download artificial intelligence videos by artificial intelligence that look so real. It gave me free access to all of these AI tools, like for free. I mean, this just boils down to the fact that there are a lot of designers now that feel threatened, a lot of creatives that are like, AI has come to take my job, and this and this and this and this. Do you know the interesting thing is that the client actually even pays well. So it gave me free access to all of these things. It is teaching me how to use them, and it's actually still paying me well for using them. At the end of the day, you realize that that fear of AI has come to take our job and all of that, many times it is unnecessary at the end of the day, because AI did not come to take your job. AI has not come to replace you. AI has come to make life easier for you. And the earlier you adapt, the better. The client did not say he was looking for an AI expert. He said, he's looking for a graphic designer that has AI, that has the knowledge of AI. He's looking for a graphic designer, an expert, someone that knows how to design so well, but also knows how to use AI. So your best approach to all of this development by AI as a graphic designer is to learn how to use AI, learn how to maximize AI to make life easy for you. Because many clients that know what they want, in fact, the clients that can pay you the kind of money you want, the kind that can give you the kind of results, the kind of fonts that you want, many of them, they are not going to use AI by themselves to get whatever result they want from AI, because they believe that you being a graphic designer, you will know how to prompt it well to give you better result. You will know how to prompt it well to give you better feedback, because you already have the experience, you have the creativity, you have all of that. And so all you have to do is just to prompt it and give it what and get the kind of results you want, because you already have the experience. So many clients that know what they want, many clients that can actually pay your words, they won't go to AI and trying to get designs by AI by themselves. They won't try to get all of that from AI by themselves, because they know that AI will not give them what they want at the end of the day. Because you already have the creativity, you already have the experience as a designer, you are the one that can better prompt AI, and you can adjust and fine-tune things to actually get the kind of results that you want from the AI, right? I was watching a video recently from Crown Dev, a YouTuber on YouTube, one of my amazing guys, and then he posted a video around this same subject where he was talking about AI. He said, a lot of years ago, when cars were just coming out, right? Before cars, a common means of transportation were horses, right? So they were horse driver, definitely. Drivers that drive horses and then that transport people using horses. Now, imagine that those times when cars were just coming, I believe so much that when cars started coming out, there were some old drivers that were scared, that had fears, that like, oh, car has come to take our job. Where we can go with horses in like one day, this new technology, right? This new technology has come, and then it's taking us in 5 days. Bobo, you they disturb. Oh. Your sound is disturbing my sound. Which noise cancelling? This is echoing. Don't code it, oh, don't code it. I'm going to code when I'm. Don't code it, say, don't post it. Few years ago, or few years ago, those drivers will most likely see cars as competition. You know, one thing about AI is that your acceptance of it will determine your approach to it. So if you are able to accept it, how you approach it is going to be different. If you refuse to accept it, how you approach it will also be different. You begin to approach it as a competition.
Oh, he has come to take our job. Oh, he has come to replace me. Oh, he has come to do this and do that. Oh, he has come. You want me to be jobless and all of that.
So you begin to see AI as an enemy. You begin to see AI as a competition. Meanwhile, AI did not come to take your job. AI came to actually make your job easier. Yeah, it has come to make your job easier. All you have to do is to adapt to the changing times. You see a lot of designers, a lot of other designers in our CV or in our resume, you write, I stay up to date by adapting to trends. You hear things like, I mean, you usually see that I stay up to trends. Remember, I will attach it because I also include it in my resume because you see a lot of designers use this. I stay up to trend, blah blah blah. But now AI has come as a new trend, and then you see a lot of designers scared that, oh, AI has come to take my job. AI has come to take our job. AI has come to replace us. No. AI came to make work easier for you, right? Just like those horse driver in those days would see the invention of car as a competition. But I believe that they were also smart horse drivers that know that no, we used to get to this destination in one day with our horses. Now there is an invention called car that is making us get there in 5 hours. What if instead of being threatened by this new invention, what if I also upgrade my skill set and I learn how to drive this car? It means that I will be able to make more money because where I used to drive people to, where I used to use my horses to drive people to in one day, now I can get there in 5 hours. So these are two different horse drivers. One is having the mindset of growth that okay, this new invention has come. What if I learn how to drive the car? It was Cran that was giving all of this analogy, and it made a lot of sense, right? It made a lot of sense to me, and I'm like, this is brilliant. This is a very great analogy that is so relevant to the argument and the approach of a lot of people to AI, because there are a lot of us that are saying that oh, AI has come now, it want to take my job, but no. Here is a client on Upwork that just gave me a job, and my duty is to use AI to give him some kind of results, right? So he's giving me all of these tools. He gave me free access to all of these tools for free. These are tools that you have to pay monthly for them. I think about $16 or something monthly for all of these tools, right? I mean, individually, they have like different charges. Midjourney is, I don't know about their premium plans because I've actually not been interested in paying for their premium, but I got them free of charge just because I was open to learning about AI and I was still employed as a graphic designer. I'm still being paid as a graphic designer. So instead of approaching AI as an enemy, approaching AI as a competition, approaching AI as okay, now AI has come, we don't have any job again. With time, they will take our job. No. How about you learn how to be more efficient, how to streamline your processes, how to create better designs, how to get better ideas with the invention of AI, how to get better images. With AI now, you don't have to go all over the net searching for background, searching for design resources. You can just go to the best AI, maybe image.fx, and then you get like, you give it the prompt, and then you get like a very good background. You go to Midjourney, and then you get a very good background that you use in your design. AI has come to make life easy, but then your acceptance of it will determine your approach to it. How you accept it, whether you accept it or not, or how you accept it will determine how you approach it. Whether you approach it as a good friend that has come to make life easy for you, or you approach it like an enemy that has come to take your job, which is not the case. But then how you approach it will determine how you are going to accept it. How you accept it will determine how you are going to approach it. Right? So like those horse drivers that probably saw car as a competition, Over time, many of them became jobless because at the end of the day, you can't stop the invention because it is making people's life easier, and people are going to gravitate towards what is making their life easier. So you can't stop it the same way you can't stop AI. AI has come to stay. The earlier you accept that and begin to change your approach to it, the better it is. Because truly, truly, with time, it's going to take your job if you do not rise up and begin to leverage on it and begin to maximize it. I see a lot of jobs on Upwork where it says you need to have the knowledge of AI, you need to be able to use Mid Journey. Gradually and gradually and gradually, it is beginning to penetrate. Your acceptance of AI, your acceptance of all of these AI tools is going to determine and is going to be evident in your approach to them. So do not see them as competitions. Do not see them as enemies. See them as a good friend that has come to make life easier for you and make you able to deliver better to your clients. If this video has helped you in any way, let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. And then there is currently a giveaway that is going on. Just check the description box of this video or check the comment. All of the details are going to be there because you do not want to miss that giveaway, especially if you are a graphic designer, a smartphone designer. I'm going to see you in the next one. Tired. Hope you play this thing.